Hello, welcome to Jubilee RV. I am Angela, or today you can call me Thelma or Louise. You decide which one. Send me a message. Let me know which one you think I am. Either I'm okay with. I want to show you this gorgeous 1962 Ford Galaxie 500 XL today. Beautiful car. It is from Florida. It is in the Raven Black with the stunning Rangoon Red interior, vinyl and carpet to the floor. Does still have the working factory air conditioning, the 3-speed Speedomatic automatic transmission, your lovely push button radio. This thing is absolutely classic. Back seat, you have your center speaker. Cruise down Main Street with the top down, blasting your tunes. You'll get a lot of looks. We still have a lot of beautiful Sundays left in this year before it has to go back in the garage. So enjoy it now while you can. So, as I said, this is in the Raven Black. This car was repainted and taken down to the metal and restored. You can see that it has perfect laser lines all over the unit. It is equipped with the 252, the Thunderbird 252 Special V8, 220 horsepower. You're gonna rock this thing. Nice thing that this came out with just for this year is they did the brass accents on the grille and the balls on the side for your markers. It also has the bumper stoppers on both the front and the back. Just in case you get a little bit too far, you're gonna have the rubber stopper to stop you before it hits your expensive bumper. The soft top is power. It's white, no marks, no tears in it. Absolutely stunning car, beautiful lines. Like I said, you're gonna look absolutely fantastic cruising up and down the main street on this with your wife sitting beside you in the seat. Absolutely beautiful. White wall tires. We do still have the original pamphlet from when it was bought. And you have a repair manual for your convertible top. An extra switch, original switch that has still been around with it. Beautiful car, spare tire. And again, you have your bumper stoppers on the back as well. If you would love to take this for a test drive, give me a call here at the dealership, 250-372-0600. My extension is 106. We'll book a test drive. Hopefully it'll be a nice sunny day and we can have the top down when we do it. That would be the best. Again, my name is Angela. Thanks for joining us again. Love to meet you. If you are interested in this vehicle, we'll go for a drive.